In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create login form in Microsoft Access VBA. We'll build a simple, clean login flow that checks a username and password against a table, adds a bit of polish to the user interface, and sets your database to open straight to the login screen. Start by opening Microsoft Access and creating or opening the database where you want this feature. In the navigation pane, create a new table and name it TBL login. Open that table in Design View and add the fields you need, typically a username field and a password field, both as short text. Keep the field names clear and consistent so they're easy to reference later in your VBA. Select the password field, open the property sheet, and on the data tab, set the input mask property to password. This makes Access display asterisks instead of the actual characters when you type. It's important to note this only hides what's on screen. It doesn't encrypt the value in the table. For a basic tutorial, this is fine, but for production use, consider stronger storage practices. Switch to datasheet view and enter a couple of sample records you can test with later. Use generic test values and avoid real credentials. Next, create a new blank form and save it as FRML login. Open it in Design View and use the property sheet to tidy the form so it feels like a focused pop-up. Turn off record selectors, navigation buttons, and dividing lines. Set pop-up to yes, and size the form for a compact login window. Add your controls from the Design tab, a label and text box for the username, a label and text box for the password, and two buttons labeled Login and Cancel. Name the controls logically, such as TX username, text password, CMD login, and CMD cancel. For the password text box, set its input mask to password as well, so it hides typed characters. Now wire up the logic. In Design View, right-click the Login button, choose Build Event, and pick Code Builder to open the VBA editor. In the Click event, add code that checks the entered username and password against TBL login, for example, by using a lookup or count. If there's a match, proceed to your application and close the login form. If not, show a friendly message and keep the user on the form. Add a simple click event for the cancel button to close the form or exit the application. Finally, go to File Options, select Current Database, and in Application Options, choose FRML Login as the display form. Click OK, then close and reopen the database to see the login form appear at startup.